We're at the Grammy Museum, and today we're going to check out Hip Hop America. In this exhibit, there are many rappers' outfits, and this one is from Slick Rick.
Lottie Dottie, we like to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody.
Hip hop just turned 50 years old last year, and it was invented in Brooklyn.
No sleep till Brooklyn!
Here's a sample from the Beastie Boys. It's one of the rappers I've heard of. So first it starts out as a level 1 AM radio, and that means the sound only comes out from the front of the car. And this was in the 1950s. As it progresses, it becomes level 2, and that's the FM radio, which was introduced in 1961, and it had left and right audio. Why is it vibrating? Now there's bass, so my seat is vibrating. Oh, this is level 3, so more speakers. Dang, the sound is coming from all over. Oh, this is level 4. So this is the highest level of speakers. There's a level 5 also? Oh my god. Alright, let's look at LA County. Hip hop in LA County. California Love? Oh, that's a good song. Snoop Dogg. I'll do New York.
And if you don't know, now you know.
There, New York.
Empire State of Mind. Okay, I like how regional these songs are. Welcome to Detroit. Eminem. So Eminem was from Detroit, and I remember when we left the Detroit airport for a layover and then we went to go eat pizza, his neighborhood was like only a few miles away.
So the Beastie Boys, this is one of the only rappers that I know. The song that I heard of is Brass Monkey or something like that.
Brass Monkey!
Whoa.
Hey, what's happening? It's your man Big Ticket doing big things, and you just stepped inside the booth, so that must mean you're ready to drop some bars with me. Now, if you're new to this, don't worry. I got a few MCs that will show you how it's done and give you some lyrics to rap along to. But if you're true to this, you can spit your own original verse. So when you're ready, hit continue and let's get started.
Press continue. Alright, here's a rap by ChatGPT about LA. Yo, in LA, where the sun always shines, from Hollywood stars to the city street signs, Venice beach vibes, palm trees swaying high, but homeless souls on the streets, no place to lie. Oh yeah, so when I press these rainbow buttons, it creates different beats. This jacket belonged to Biggie Smalls, and he got gunned down in front of the Peterson Automotive Museum.
Now we're checking out other exhibits.
This is the jacket that Michael Jackson wore for Thriller.
Who's Shakira?
This sounds like my Spanish class because my Spanish teacher plays like the same 10 Shakira songs on repeat. And that is the Grammy Museum Hip Hop America.
I like all the different sections of music throughout this whole building. Overall, it's a very happy place. There's a lot of music everywhere.
I enjoyed the different exhibits, and we also went downstairs, like the Shakira exhibit I liked. But yeah, the hip hop exhibit was pretty cool, and I liked when I heard songs I recognized. And there's a lot of interactive exhibits. You can even do a freestyle rap if you're good at that. But I did not come prepared for that.
See you in the next video. Bye!